connect ChatGPT to the database and it lets you ask questions and run code and write queries. That's not what this is. This is something different, which is a deterministic sort of algorithm, an algorithmic model, kind of like the actual AI model that's running on GPUs that's powering something like Claude or ChatGPT. It's an AI model we trained from our unique data set, where the analogy with large language models is the internet and human communication and books and just how people communicate with words. Well, we have sort of an analogous data set of how do people use space. We have all over the world 250 million plus square feet of space, sensors covering to an individual room and desk and space level. What are the patterns that people use space with? What influences how people use space? How does time of day influence how people use space? What are the different space types? And sort of those become the language. The spaces become the language of the model. And then our model is predicting how people will interact with those spaces. We're one of the only, I would say, we're basically the only people in the world that have a data set like this that can take sort of a breadth of data like ours, anonymize it, and turn it into a model like this that can be packaged into basically a benchmark that's usable in a flexible way. Yeah, and then this becomes the engine for everything. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.